Welcome back to Digital Wiz Academy. In the previous video, we've covered the essentials of designing and prototyping in Figma. And now it's time to focus on collaboration and sharing. In this video, we'll explore how to work with teams, share feedback, and manage projects efficiently in Figma. Let's get started. The first topic of today's discussion is working with teams. Dear friends, Figma's real-time collaboration features make it an ideal tool for team projects. Let's explore how to work effectively with your team in Figma. Creating and managing teams. To create a team, click the New Team button in the Figma dashboard. Add team members by entering their email addresses. Teams help you organize projects and collaborate more efficiently. Collaborating in real time. Figma allows multiple designers to work on the same project simultaneously. You can see your teammates' cursors and edits in real time, making collaboration seamless. Managing permissions. Set permissions for team members to control who can view, edit, or comment on your designs. This ensures that everyone has the appropriate level of access. Dear friends, I hope you understand how to work with teams. Let's move on to our next topic, which is sharing feedback. Dear friends, gathering and implementing feedback is crucial for refining your designs. Figma provides several tools to facilitate this process. Using commenting features. Click the comment button in the toolbar to leave comments directly on the design. Tag team members using it mentions to notify them of specific feedback. Reviewing and resolving comments. Review comments in the comment panel and mark them as resolved once addressed. This helps keep track of feedback and ensures all issues are addressed. Presenting your designs. Use presentation mode to showcase your designs to stakeholders. Click the play button in the top right corner to enter presentation mode and navigate through your frames. Dear friends, share your opinion on this in previous videos in the comment section. Let's move to our next topic, which is managing projects. Dear friends, efficient project management ensures that your design process is organized and productive. Organizing files and projects. Create folders and projects within your team to organize your files. This helps keep your workspace tidy and makes it easy to find specific designs. Version history and backups. Figma automatically saves version history for your files. You can view and restore previous versions by clicking on the file name and selecting Show Version History. Using plugins for efficiency. Extend Figma's functionality with plugins. There are plugins for various tasks, such as design handoff, accessibility checks, and design system management. Explore the plugin library to find tools that enhance your workflow. Let's dive into our next topic, which is integrating design systems. Dear friends, design systems streamline the design process and maintain consistency across projects. Let's see how Figma makes integrating design systems easy and efficient. Creating and using design libraries. You can create a shared library of components, styles, and assets for your team. This ensures that everyone is working with the same elements and maintaining brand consistency. Syncing updates across projects. When you update a component in your design system, Figma automatically syncs those changes across all files using that component. This helps keep your projects up to date with the latest design standards. Managing assets. Organize your assets within your design system by grouping them into categories such as colors, typography, and icons. This makes it easier for your team to find and use the right assets. Let's move on to a little bit interesting topic, which is utilizing Figma's collaboration tools. Dear friends, beyond basic collaboration, Figma offers advanced tools to enhance team productivity. Design critique session. Use Figma's presentation mode during design critique sessions to gather structured feedback. This encourages collaborative discussion and helps improve your designs. Design handoff to developers. Use tools like Zeppelin or Figma's built-in handoff features to ensure a smooth transition from design to development. Developers can inspect elements, copy code, and download assets directly from the design files. Brainstorming with Figma. Figma's whiteboard tool is perfect for brainstorming sessions. Collaborate with your team to sketch out ideas, create mind maps, and plan your projects in real time. Dear friends, let's end today's video session by discussing the very last topic of today's discussion, which is collaboration best practices. Dear friends, effective collaboration requires clear communication and organization. Here are some best practices for working in Figma. Establishing clear roles. Define roles within your team, such as lead designer, reviewer, and developer, to ensure everyone knows their responsibilities. Setting up regular check-ins. Schedule regular check-ins with your team to review progress and address any issues. This keeps everyone aligned and on track. Documenting design decisions. Use Figma's note-taking features to document important design decisions within the file. This provides context for your team and stakeholders, ensuring that everyone understands the rationale behind design choices. Dear friends, that concludes our deep dive into collaboration and sharing in Figma. You've now mastered not only the basics of working with teams and sharing feedback, but also the advanced aspects of integrating design systems, utilizing collaboration tools, and following best practices for a smooth workflow. In the next video, we'll be diving into Figma plugins, where you'll discover how to extend Figma's functionality to supercharge your design process. Make sure to subscribe to Digital Wiz Academy and click the notification bell to stay updated with our latest tutorials. Let's continue this journey together and become Figma pros.